Hello dear students, this is the first video of this week and in this video I am going to revise the following topics. First, introduction to algorithm and flowcharts. Then I will discuss the advantages of an algorithm. Then I will discuss the third point. In this point I will write an algorithm to add two numbers and I will also draw the flowchart. Fourth, topic is write a program in Java to assign the salary of a person and check whether the salary is greater than 50,000 or not. Okay, so I will use relational operators. Why relational operators is used in Java? To compare the values. So these are the topics. So coming to the first topic, introduction to algorithm. What is an algorithm? An algorithm is a sequence of instructions written in written to solve a given problem. And this instructions is written in English language in your own sentence. You have to write an algorithm for solving any type of problems. Either it is mathematical problem or it can have some logical decisions. Okay, you have to write the algorithm for solving any problems by using English language in a step by step sequence. Okay, so algorithm can be defined as telling or instructing the computer the series of steps to perform every work step by step. And you can see the basic steps are: first step is a start, second step get input by keyboard, mouse, etc., or by any inputting device you can get input. Third is process. Fourth is output by display or print, and fifth is stop. So these are the five basic steps of an algorithm. Okay, now coming to this point, introduction to flowcharts, because in that program you have to write the algorithm of adding two numbers, and you also have to write the you also have to draw the flowchart. Okay, so coming to the flowchart, the simplest way to represent the solution to a problem is by using a flowchart, and it is in the form of a graphical representation. Okay, the algorithm which you have written, that thing can be shown with the help of a graphical representation, can be shown with the help of a drawing. Okay, so a flowchart uses a set of basic symbols to represent various functions, and in a flowchart each type of task in the program is represented by a symbol. Okay, you can see uh, you can see the example of a flowchart. Okay, this is an example of a flowchart. Okay, and how you can construct the flowcharts by using these symbols. Flowcharts typically utilize specialized symbols, and some of the main symbols that are used to construct the flowcharts are given below. First one is the start symbol for starting your flowchart, input or output symbol, process symbol, decision or test condition. This process symbol is in rectangular in shape. Okay, decision test symbol is in diamond shape, which is used for checking the condition. uh, Next is flow lines, and the last one is connectors. Okay, you can see here what are the advantages of an algorithm. The developer, first advantage, the developer can examine the solution process properly. The developer who is writing the program, who is developing some software, he can examine the solution process properly. Second, problems that are difficult or impossible to solve are approached as a series of small solvable subprograms. Okay, If you have a very big program, very complicated program, then that can be solved by a series of a small solvable subprograms. Next is an algorithm aids in decision making. And the last one, it makes the process more efficient and more consistent. Now, this is the question. Write an algorithm to add two numbers and also draw the flowchart. So this is the solution. Step 1, I am writing the algorithm here. Okay, step 1, input two numbers into different variables like a and b. Step 2, add both the numbers. Step 3, print the result. And step 4, stop. So if you are asked to write an algorithm in an examination, so you have to write in the following steps. Okay, you have to write as it is displayed here. Okay, you have to write the same algorithm. Now you have to draw the flowchart of the same algorithm also. So you can draw the flowchart by the start symbol. You can write a start inside that symbol, then arrow denotes the next process. Okay, input two numbers a and b. Two numbers are getting inputted here. Okay, and next is the process symbol in which addition of both the numbers takes place, a plus b, and the result is stored in the another variable, that is c. Now the arrow denotes the next process, that is output. It is showing the output process. Print c. Print c will display the output of the value of a plus b, and the last step will end the program. Okay, so you can see a start and end symbol are same, input and output symbol are same, and process symbol is rectangular in shape. So in this way you can write an algorithm and you can draw the flowcharts of the same question. Now the next today I will find the area of a rectangle, because this program I have already shown you program to find the area of a circle. I've shown you this program. So today I'm going to find the area of a rectangle. I will write a Java program and I will find the area of a, not circle, it will be rectangle. Okay, or you can see in this program, write a program in Java to assign the salary of a person. Okay, I am writing that program is very easy. To find the area of a rectangle, it is very easy. You have to use the formula area equals to L into B. So that is very easy. So today I'm going to write a program in Java to assign the salary of a person and check whether the salary is greater than 50,000 or not. Okay, so I'm going to use relational operator of Java. Okay, so let us start the program. You double click on the BlueJ. You must have BlueJ installed on your desktop or laptop, then you can run your Java program. It will take a few seconds, please wait. Now you can see after opening Java, this screen will come. Now what you have to do, you have to create a project, click on project, click on new project, and then you will write project name like salary. Okay. Now you have to create a class, click on new class button and write the class name, employee salary, EMP SAL. You can write anything as a class name XYZ. So I have written employee salary, EMP underscore SAL. Click on OK. Now your class has been generated here. You have to write the program. So right click here and click on open editor. Because this BlueJ, it is IDE. It is an IDE, means environmental development integrated development environment. Okay, so in this BlueJ you have the facility of writing the code and viewing the output and debugging it in the same window. Okay, all are present in the same window, in the same application. You don't have to go here and there. Okay, so now I'm going to write the program, so you can delete the unnecessary things. Delete it. Your program starts with public class name, and class name is employee underscore salary, then opening curly bracket. Delete the unnecessary things. Now you will write the main function, public static uh, void main string args capital S. In string you will write it capital string S H. And I have explained you the meaning of each and every keyword. I've explained the meaning of public, static, the meaning of static, the meaning of void, and why it is written main, because this is the main function of Java. That's why it is written here main. So I have already explained you the meanings, why they are used. So this is the main function, and your Java program always starts executing the main function. Okay, so you must write the main function in your program. Now you have to, you can delete these unwanted things. Now you have to initialize the salary of a person. Suppose you can take the variable sal and you can initialize any salary, like this is the salary. Okay, now I'm going to take, I'm going to check this salary whether it is equals to whether it is greater than 50,000 or not. And if it is greater than 50,000, it will print yes, greater than 50,000, or less than 50,000. So now I have written the program, and in this program it starts with the class, then main function, then I will slice the salary. Sal equals to, I have assigned some salary to this variable sal. Then I am checking the condition if sal is greater than 50,000. So this is greater than sign. This is the relational operator of Java, and it will check whether the salary is greater than 50,000 or not. And if the statement is finds to be true, means if the salary is greater than 50,000, it will print the following sentence: tax payable. Okay, system.out.println, this is the command to print the output. So what output it will print? Tax payable. If the salary is greater than 50,000, then it will print tax payable. And if the salary is not greater than 50,000, then it will print tax not payable. Okay, so this is a very simple program in BlueJ. This is a very simple program of Java using relational operator. So I hope you all have understood this program. So let us compile. Click on compile button after writing the program. And if there is any error in your program, it will not run. So let us compile the program. I have not initialized the variable. So you have to write int sal. You have to initialize the variable of any data type like integer, double, float. Okay. Now click on compile button. You can see your class has been compiled successfully. Now you can close this window and you can right click here. Click on void main string args. Click on OK. And you will see the following output: tax not payable. Why tax not payable? Because that salary was less than 50,000. Okay. So I hope children you have understood this program. Okay, and this was the last topic, and I hope you all have understood this topic, all the topics you have understood. Okay, thanks for watching this video, children.